Oh hey. Hey! I'm just gonna do a makeup tutorial because I'm gonna film a video right after this. Don't mind me. I'm pre-gaming because I'm scared as to talk about this story time that I'm gonna film next. So I gotta prepare myself. Straight out the bottle, bitch. I'm gonna just do a smoky eye that I did the other day for work that everybody was obsessing about. Even clients was stopping me and they're like, oh my god, I want that look, I want those eyeshadows, tell me what you use. I got a whole bunch of compliments on the look that I did, so I'm just gonna do that again. I'm gonna start out with base. I'm using my Pat McGrath Skin Fetish foundation. It is my summer shade, so I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of the damn, this squirted all over my dresser. Jesus, why every time I start filming videos some shit happens? I am gonna mix that foundation with my NARS Natural Radiant in Tahoe because my Pat McGrath foundation is just way too dark for me, and I'm gonna apply that with my Sephora 88 brush. Okay, hold up. They just made these for me, so they're nice and warm. Y'all remember? Y'all remember in Scary Movie? Brenda? Is it Brenda? Her name is Brenda, yeah. She's watching the monster come out of the TV. And she's like, Sydney, your TV is leaking. No? Remember that? I'm Brenda. I really hate the way my brows came out today. I tried not using any lash glue because I'm tired of it looking like all gunky with product when I try to fill it in. So I just tried blocking them out with concealer and translucent powder. That didn't cover shit. I'm gonna conceal with my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. So contour, this is my Milk Flex Foundation in Cocoa. You ever go back on your Instagram and you see an old video of someone that you used to mess with kissing you and shit, and you're single right now and you're just like, damn, that shit look nice. But I used to be so weak-minded when it came to shit like that, but now I had a little feeling like, damn, let me hit that nigga up. Nah, I'm over that. There's a reason why I stopped with your ass. I'm gonna blend my contour with my Morphe G3 brush. Why is it that when somebody tells you, don't ever hit me up ever again in your life, and you never hit them up in your life, right? But they still take the time to search your name on YouTube, watch your entire video, and comment under like we're friends? Why is it that when you when somebody tells you don't ever speak to me again, and you never speak to them again, right? But even if you block them from every single thing, they still watch all of your stories through their brother's page. Are you having fun watching me? Are you enjoying the content? Because, you know, I've been on fire on Instagram. I've been on fire on YouTube. I've been consistent. Do you like the consistency? I appreciate that. I really do. To set my under eyes, I'm gonna use my Huda powder in Blondie. For all the guys that like me and just wants me to like hang out with them and chill and talk, I'm so sorry. It's not you, it's me. I'm learning how to love myself, and I honestly don't need any interruptions. I'm trying to stay focused on my goals. I'm at a point in my life where I'm annoyed with guys. So any little thing that you do that's kind of annoying, I'm just gonna stop talking to you. So just wait until I'm done loving myself, and then I could love someone else. Because how can you love someone else if you don't love yourself? Tell me how a truck almost tipped over me and my mom when I was driving in the car. there's like different, there's like 2-3 different lanes, but there's like a division, like a sidewalk, where you can't make a turn. You're supposed to stay on that lane. So I guess the truck took a wrong turn and he was trying to go back to his lane. This dude drove on top of the sidewalk, and the whole truck, it literally just went whoop, and we were right next to it. We were like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yo, we were losing it. Yo, I couldn't breathe. I was like, holy shit, like I'm about to die. This truck is about to crush me right now. I use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark to set my entire face. Tell me how the other day, yo, this lady on the train, she shut this homeless guy down. When I walked on the train, she was already there. She was sitting down. I already knew she was type crazy. Anyone that will like bump into her or like walk over her foot, she will spaz out. Don't walk over me! I'm like, what the f is going on? Some homeless guy comes in. But what was that? She was like, here we go. Another beggar, another bum asking for money. Go get a fucking job. I don't give a f what you need. I don't give a f what you go through. Go to Social Security. Go get a job. I have cancer and I still go to work. I was like, no funny shit. There's some homeless people out there that they didn't deserve to be homeless. But don't stay homeless. Don't take the easy way out asking for money. That's not an easy way out, because you don't have a bed, you don't have water every day, you don't have food every day. If I was to go homeless, like if I had absolutely nothing, bro, like I will ask for change in the street. I'll go in the library, I'll type out a resume, and I'll go find a job, and then I'll find a shelter. Don't just let yourself go. Like when there's that 1 week when times are hard, I be wanting to tell the bum like, bro, even though I'm on the train and I'm going to work and I'm going back home, I'm actually going back to a home, it doesn't mean I can't give you money all the f***ing time, because I'm struggling too. We're all struggling. And it sucks. Like, it's really annoying when homeless people get mad. You put yourself in this situation. Get yourself out of it. You got yourself into this situation, so get out of it. Don't be mad because nobody wants to give you money. Ain't nobody got time for that. Before getting on that train, some crazy ass dude. Hold on, let me spray my face. I'm gonna try this Lila B. Oh, Lila, oh my god, the Lila B Aglow face mist. That smells good. It smells like, what does that smell like? It's so familiar. It smells like a Lush spray. Ooh, let's try this Patrick Ta for face highlighting mist. Ooh. They gave it to me. I work at Sephora. I don't get PR, okay? Don't get it twisted. It's called Look at Her White Pearl. Ooh, I'm scared. I just want to do anything like... I'm gonna just spray it all over. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. This is nice. This is nice. Wow. I was shocked. That really shocked me. Oh yeah, so it's the same homeless dude that I see on 125th Street all the time. Scares the shit out of me. And he's over here asking for money. He's going up to everybody mad creepy. And I see him and I try to avoid. Every time I see a bum on the train and I see them like begging for money, I go the other way. Or if I see them coming my way, I'm going like past them so that they won't ask me for shit. And I'm walking away from him. That nigga turns around, finds me. Hi. Hi. I'm like, he goes to another girl that's like few feet away from me. Like, she's looking through this nigga. She's not even saying no, I don't have any money, nothing. Like, she's not doing no gestures, no nothing. She's there like with her phone, like she unbothered, like she don't go. Then this motherfucker starts screaming at her, but like singing. He's like, "You're gonna be a star." Like he was just going crazy. Some older guy with a cane, he comes out, he was like, "Leave her alone. I'll knock your head off. Leave her alone. Leave her alone." And then he walks away. I'm like, there we go. Somebody to stand up for somebody else, for a female, instead of people pulling out their cameras to see what's gonna happen next so that they could get clout, so they could get all these views. No, if you see somebody in danger, you help him. The whole time this nigga was screaming, I'm over here holding my mace just in case this nigga want to wall out and do something to her. I'm just watching and watching like, yo, let him touch her. I will pepper spray the out of this nigga. Like, he is not gonna violate a girl in my face, in the public, in the train station. Out of here. Alright, so now I'm just gonna apply a little bit of blush and then we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm gonna apply NARS Maui Stick Blush mixed with a little bit of NARS Orgasm Liquid Blush. And I'm just gonna pounce that on with a beauty blender. I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Palette. As a content creator, it is important and it is fun to support other people, especially if you actually like their content and if it's coming from a genuine place. I'm gonna go in with henna and sandalwood first. I had a lot of people DM me like, hey, do you want to support each other, blah blah blah, and I'm like, yeah, sure, cool. And there was this one girl, so I had this girl hit me up through DM. She found me and she was just saying how much she loves my content and we should support each other. And for some reason with her, it was just so genuine because I didn't feel pressured to do it. And I'm always showing her love. She's always showing me love because she's on fire when it comes to her content. I'm gonna put her Instagram here so you guys can check her out. And I look up to that because I want to have the strength to upload on Instagram every single day, but technology kind of drives me a little bit crazy. Funny, I'm filming a YouTube video and I'm in front of a camera, but it's just something about being on my phone. I can't do it for too long. I didn't feel any pressure when it came to her. But there's other people that's like they'll reach out to me, hey, can we support each other? Cool, right? But then later on they go, hey, can you repost this? Can you repost my latest post? Like, what? First of all, you reached out to me, you didn't repost any of my stuff, and you want me to repost you. Most of the time, people that be asking for a repost, they don't repost you. And it's like, I repost and support my friends all the time, but if I really truly like something, I'm gonna repost it because I just have to. Like, yo, this shit is so fire, I have to repost it, and it's very genuine. But like other people, you can just tell that it isn't coming from a genuine place. So right now I'm just deepening up the eyes with Cocoa. This battery sucks. Like, it was on 42%. How is it dying already? I'm gonna go into Black Truffle. I'm taking that on a M506 brush from Morphe, and I'm gonna focus that on the outer corners and then just blend it out so you won't have like that harsh line, so everything can just look really nice and diffused. So now that everything is blended out, I'm gonna put a color. I'm gonna put this suede color on the lid. It's a taupe color. I do want to make it a little bit brighter, but there is no lighter taupe or lighter color in this palette. I'm gonna go in with Stone, and this is the Natasha Denona Safari palette, and this is just a Morphe M330 brush. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that black because I did lose some of it in the outer corners because I was blending so much. So I'm gonna jump into this one right here. It's just a pale, really pale pink, and pop it right. Oh, yep, I can use this, fine. I'm gonna use my lash liner from Kat Von D. It's the first liquid liner that you can use on your waterline. I'm gonna drag this down as well, and I'm gonna tight line with it as well. This is the most comfortable tool to tight line because it won't poke you in the eye, and the applicator is really soft. But tight lining always gets me though, like it bugs me out. I'm gonna line the top of my eyes with my Anastasia gel liner. This is a Morphe M217 brush. I probably won't even do a wing. I'm just gonna do a line across my eye. Okay, so I just popped some lashes on. I don't know what lashes they are. I'm so sorry. I put most of my lashes in just a random box, but these are probably Lily lashes that I have on. Now for the lips, I'm gonna use my MAC lip liner in Chestnut. I'm gonna use 2 lip glosses. I'm using Kristen and Undressed lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is like the best brown girl lip liner because you can wear the lightest nude and just with a brown lip liner you look hella good. I'm gonna put another color on top because it's looking a little grayish and I want it to be a little bit more peachy. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Bombshell liquid lipstick from Huda Beauty. And there we go. Yeah. Alright you guys, this is the final look. I'm totally obsessed with it. This is a nice, beautiful, like taupe, brownish, smoky eye with a nude glossy lip. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you can, give me a thumbs up. That'll mean a lot to me. I hope you guys watched the whole entire video. Subscribe if you're not already, and leave a beautiful positive comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.